Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we turn ordinary dishes into heavenly delights. Today, we're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering tortilla pizza, a quick and delicious treat that will surely satisfy your cravings. So, let's get started. The first step is to grab a 25 centimeters tortilla. Spread some of our perfect pizza sauce all over the tortilla. The link to our amazing pizza sauce recipe and flour tortillas are down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Once the sauce is in place, it's time to get cheesy. Add a generous amount of grated cheddar cheese, giving your pizza that irresistible gooey factor. Now, let's create the perfect pizza sandwich. Place another tortilla on top of the cheese, sandwiching all that flavorful goodness together. Then add another layer of pizza sauce and more of that delectable cheddar cheese. Sprinkle some thyme over the cheese, adding a heavenly touch of urban-fused goodness to your tortilla pizza. Now it's time to get creative. Add your favorite toppings to the mix. We're using savory salami, rich olives, earthy mushrooms, and thinly diced green and red bell peppers. Feel free to customize your pizza with any toppings you desire. Ensure your oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit to achieve that perfect golden crust. Pop your tortilla pizza into the oven, and let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and the edges are lightly crisp. And there you have it, a heavenly tortilla pizza that's sure to impress your taste buds. The crisp tortilla crust, gooey cheese, and a delightful combination of toppings make this an unforgettable treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more heavenly delights. Thanks for watching, and always remember, good food brings good mood.